Hi, Jennifer Holmes here, President of MIS Solutions. Now, I recently read that over 12,000 laptops were left behind in airports every single day, and an estimated 113 cell phones are stolen or lost every minute. There's no doubt in my mind that one of your employees will lose a company device at some point. When you do, what is your risk? Well, that's just one of the key items we'll be covering in our upcoming executive briefing on cloud and mobile computing, or our Tech Exchange. It's going to be on Thursday, September 19th at 8:30 in the morning at the beautiful 1818 Club. Now, to register, you can go to budurl.com/techexchange2013 to get registered. Now, if you are already using mobile devices to allow employees to access company information, or if you want to introduce cloud or mobile computing to make it easier to work while out of the office, then this is a must-attend event. Again, you can register at the link here below. We are also going to share with you some shocking information about using mobile devices in the workplace that you need to know to protect your company and your employees. We're also going to discuss some important new cost-saving, productivity-building strategies you'll want to know about before your next upgrade or refresh. So, to register, click on the link below, or you can call me at the office at 678-730-2703 and we'll happily get you registered. Now, to attend the event, you must register, so go ahead and do it while you're thinking about it. If you have further questions about mobility or cloud or Tech Exchange, don't stress. Call MIS.